everyone, welcome to Yusuf's World. Today we are going to be unboxing lots of fidget toys and puppets. We already have some that are already opened. This is the ghost puppet and that's the pumpkin. Want to show everyone your big puppet? Wow! Show everyone how it pops. Let's pop.
I did! Yes, I did it!
Yay! We did a very big order from Shein. We got some puppets and fidget toys that we are going to be unboxing today. Ready to open up all your puppets?
Yeah.
You want to help, Mommy? Oh, this is a big box. Yes.
Yeah.
This is full of fidget toys. Wow. Excited?
Yeah.
Alright, which one should we open up first? Oh, he had a bit of a glimpse of the Spider-Man one. Alright, you want to open up the Spider-Man one?
Yeah.
Here. Spider-Man. Wow. Let's open up the Spider-Man. Spider-Man. This is a Spider-Man. Let's see how this pops.
Ready? This is ready.
Yes.
Inside.
Yes, Spider-Man, let's see.
Inside ready. Yes?
The popping's not too bad, but they're very small. It's good for your fingers, you said? All right.
I know the beat. Inside.
Yes, you saw a big butterfly.
Yeah.
Want to open up this butterfly? This butterfly. Let's see this one. Oh, wow. You want to pop it?
Oh, it's mine.
Like this.
This? I haven't put it.
Do it like this. Like this. Like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Yay!
Wow.
Wow!
Okay.
Yeah, that's a nice butterfly. Okay. Look at this one.
No, floating.
This is a crab. Look at this crab. This doesn't have a very loud popping sound. It's quite thin material, but it's cute. Oh, we have this one. Let's pop. Looks like this is the silent side.
No, hiding.
This is a whale.
No, shut.
Huh?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, wow.
That's it.
Let's pop them.
Shut and thing.
Yay.
Mama,
This is a nice one when we go to the beach. Let's see what this one.
No, shut.
Yeah, this side is a lot. This side is louder. Next one. Oh, we have here calculator. This is so cute. It has numbers. Calculator. Yeah.
Yes.
The other side is always louder. What's over here? This is a double pack one. This is an ice cream one. Yeah. You love ice cream? This is the ice cream. So this is better. This is a bit This one's a bit thinner.
Go.
Okay. Ah, a butterfly. Let's see this butterfly. Wow. This is a nice colours. Wow. See this pop.
Wow. Oh, nice.
That's pretty good. This is cute. I like this one. This is an elephant. Elephant. This is so cute. Yep. The other way always pops louder and better. But this is cute. This is a flower. This is cute. This is a small flower. And then you flip it. Like this. Yeah. Yeah. Next one. Oh, look at this, guys. That's a big phone.
Hi.
Hello.
Funny.
It's funny, yeah.
No.
Oh, this is quite hard to pop.
No,
So we can do this. Like this. Yeah, pop it out. Oh, you have a turtle. This is a bright colour.
Yeah.
This is bright green. Look at this one. Oh yes, I like how this feels. This one's quite thick. Let's check the other side. Yeah, this pops really good. Which one do you want? You want to see these? Here you go. One for you and one for me. So I ordered two, but they gave me both of the same colour. It's pink. This is a tube. Whoa! This is fun! Wow! Look how long it goes. This is how short it is. Look how long it goes. 1, 2, go. Whoa! This is fun. You like this one? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah! Let's open up this one. This is a simple dimple. Let's see. I like this. This is like glittery. This is so cool. That's cool. Next one. This is the dinosaur one. The pops on this one is really small. That's pretty cool. See how it pops. Yeah, it's okay. It's better. Okay, Yusuf. Yusuf, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at this one. Oh, this is like a galaxy planet. Ah, I think they have the name of the planets. I think so this, not sure if it shows on the camera, but it actually shows the name of the planet. It says here Neptune. I like how this pops. This pops really well. I like this one. What's this? Let's see. Here. Look at this one. So you put your hand in here. Oh, wow. Put your hands under here. Put your hand under here, Yusuf. Your finger. Your finger. Wow. Put your hand, put your hand. Look at that. It's your hand. Ready? 1, 2. Put your hand in here. Cheese. Let's try putting a little popper under. Let's try this one. Ooh. Look at that. This is so cute. This is a claw. Let me come closer. I like this. This is nice. I got more animal ones for Yusuf. That's a rhino. And that's a horse. That's a fish. It's always the right side that's a bit silent. Oh, the eye pops too. Let's check this side. Yeah, I like this one. This is actually quite good quality, these two, but this fish is a bit flimsy. Got some big poppets here. It's a big heart. And a bear. These are cute. I like these too. Let's open this banana. It's a banana. Let's see what the banana does. Look, it stretches. Whoa! Look at this, banana.
Mommy, I'm trying.
You want to try? Yay!
Mom, it's a monkey.
Yeah, this is for the monkey. It feels weird.
Yeah.
Wow! You're strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nana, monkey.
It's for the monkey.
Nana.
It's a banana.
Ah, yes.
Yay! Stretch, stretch.
Nana. Yes.
Whoa! Need to watch out. This is a fidget spinner. Ooh.
I'm trying.
Want to try?
Yeah.
Whoopsie! Hold it like this.
Huh?
Oh, your hand's a bit too small. Here, you want to spin it?
Yeah.
Spin it, spin it. Wow! This spins nice. Look, and it's got a pop to it. It's got pop.
Oh, see.
Yeah, pop it.
Me, I'm sorry. Mouth.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to help. Yeah, let's spin it. Yay! You did it! Wow! We have here, this is cute, another simple dimple. Look at the faces on this one.
She's fun.
This is cute.
Mommy, first, there you
Let's see, when it pops.
go. Nana.
We have here a soccer ball puppet. This is a soccer ball puppet. These pops are a bit too small. Let's see. This is nice. This is cute. We have here another push pop. I think this is like a little flower. Oh look, it's a smiley face. Let's pop it up. Ah, this is not a good one. This is way too flimsy. But let's open up the last one. Meant to build something with it. Let's try. See, do these work? Let's try to make a cube. Whoopsies, want to build? Put them together. Yeah. Oh, look how cute. They even have a little push.
Fish.
Look at this one. Here you go. You can build like 3D things with this. Mm-hmm. Just use your imagination. These are all the fidgets that we got from Shein. They are so awesome and adorable. They are fun to play with. As you can see, Yusuf is enjoying the fidget spinner. You like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Bye.